Oh, it's the connection right there, right?
Yeah, I mean...
Think it's a connection?
Yeah. Something like PVC with more flex. Got more flex in it.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Water.
Is that loose?
You know. How long was this? Like,
It just happened.
Just
started, yeah. I'm trying to make sure. You got a couple turns on that. I got a little YouTube channel, man, how-to channel, man, so you won't be on my recording.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I do little stuff. I'm a retired contractor myself, but
Oh, it's not. It's not a thing, but it's not straight.
It's not straight.
No. So I need to get. Do you got anything like a piece of rebar with like? Because we need, this can't be moved. I can't move this.
Okay.
If I go there, but this need to go that way for it to be straight.
So that's the city. You got to crook it then, huh? Okay.
No, owns whoever run this. It's not the city stuff here.
Yeah.
So the guy who run this, he should have gotten it straight before it turned.
Right. He turned it too early.
Yeah, it wasn't. So we need to get this like straight and then.
So we gonna move that. You gonna be able to move that? What's in the city?
That?
Yeah, you gonna be able to move that pipe?
Yeah,
Then they got enough flex in it?
If I can get like a piece of rebar to...
But what about this? This is the key.
But I'm gonna have to like take that out. I need something to stay in it permanently. So
Oh, you're talking about permanently?
So it doesn't like
I got you.
Back.
So, okay.
A piece of brick or
okay.
something.
Let me see if I can find something. Well, I hate plumbing though, man, because you never know with plumbing.
No, it's not gonna act up maybe.
Yeah.
I mean, it's been here a while, as you said.
Mm-hmm.
Why not? But what I can do, it's not right.
Let me know if you need another one.
I think so.
You need another one?
No, I got it.
Okay.
What do I do?
Oh, you got the paste, huh? I like the tape, man.
I got both.
Yeah. I like the tape.
Both, but just like fill that gap.
Yeah, yeah.
Just a little.
Yeah, I guess it's better for the paste because you ain't got to go underneath it with the tape and all that, get it wet and all that, yeah.
Hopefully it does stuff.
And then a lot of people don't know the tape. You got to make sure the tape is the right way.
Yeah.
You know, you turn it, put it on the right way. A lot of people just put it on there.
No.
So when you're screwing it on, it starts coming out.
Yeah. I'll put some of this on it, hopefully. Not sure. Let's test it and see what.
Okay, I can get that. Yeah. All right. Looking good so far.
We moved to Georgia.
Oh, okay. What brings you down to Georgia? Just a change?
Yeah. Nebraska is too cold.
Yeah, man, I'm from Chicago. Trust me, I know, bro. Man, look, that's what I'm saying. Look, I know exactly what you're talking about. Now, hold on. Here go that wasp, man. Hold on. Oh, he gone now. All right. I think we got rid of most of them.
Yeah. My wife is a registered nurse, so she do like travel nursing.
Oh, okay.
She decided to work in Georgia for
Yeah. So she not from here? Both, where y'all from originally?
Jamaica.
Jamaica. Oh, both y'all from Jamaica?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We from Jamaica.
Oh, okay. Surprised I recognize the accent, man. I should have recognized the accent, man.
Yeah, I'm from Jamaica.
Yeah, love Jamaica. Yeah, man, I'm telling you, man, that cold, man.
Yeah,
woo.
yeah.
Especially coming from Jamaica. I know you was like, what the hell? Man, what made you move to Nebraska? You ain't checked the weather before you went to there?
No, I mean, my wife, she came up with an agency, and that's where the agency sent her.
Oh, okay.
So she had to stay there for a while.
I got you.
And then her time is up.
I know you were glad of that, huh?
What? I was super glad.
So how long you been down here in Georgia?
Actually, 5 weeks.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
I'm just getting here.
Oh, man. Welcome to the GA, man.
Yeah.
Welcome to Georgia.
I'm just getting to here.